Hola todos, bienvenidos a mi video. Hi everyone, welcome to my video. Yes, this is gonna be a video in Spanglish. El video es de cuidado de la piel, and today we're gonna talk about a couple things I'm going to use to get rid of all the makeup and also give my skin a break. El video de hoy va a ser para quitarnos todo el maquillaje y que le demos como un receso a la piel para que se recupere, para que se restaure, para ponernos más maquillaje mañana, porque antes muerta que sencilla, ¿no? Y hoy vamos a estar utilizando, voy a usar un pore strip. So I'm going to be using one of these. This is a charcoal Bioré pore strip. I also got a sí a los pepinos. Sí, oh my God. Sí a los pepinos. YesTo cucumbers. This is an eye product. Paso 1 y 2, step 1 and 2, and it's to help restore the elasticity of the skin and also to give it a refresh. Especially for people like me, I have dark circles naturally. I will also be using this two-step lip kit pucker up. It's a coconut base, and it consists of a scrub and a lip mask. Vamos a darle un receso a la piel utilizing this bedtime mask. Is actually charcoal base, basada de carbón, and is supposed to detoxify and also contains salicylic acid. Vamos a ver si funciona o no funciona. Bueno, esa es básicamente la idea de este video. Espero que lo disfruten. Vamos a empezar con la parte número 1, que es el meltdown. Vamos a recoger la melena. Que el truquito de parecerme a Simba no funciona para quitarme el maquillaje. A Wimba, güey. Alrighty. This is what we're going to do. I think I am going to use this It Cosmetics Buh-Bye makeup. I'm just gonna grab a small portion of this. Just gonna get a little bit, that little. Oh wow, I'm having a meltdown right now. This is a meltdown. All right, I removed the rest of my makeup. I also got a cotton with water to wet my nose, to put on the charcoal pore cleanser strip. You're supposed to remove this and I got water all over my face, and place this right in the center. Your nose. I like to place it like this, close to the tip of my nose, so I can grab as much as I can. Now let's see the eye patch. Step 1, cleanse face. I already did. I use, generally for skincare, I use Clinique. I use their soap, and that's what I use to wash my face. So I'm supposed to apply this eye patches for 10 minutes. Oh wow. Okay, they come both in the same packaging, and it seems like Oh, oh wow, yeah, that's very strong. That's a very strong cucumber scent. I'm just gonna grab a bit of paper towel because this is dripping. Yeah, these are very thin and they come together. I'm just going to separate them, like trying to be delicate with it because they are very thin and they look very fragile. So I'm supposed to place them like this. Let me see. Oh, this is cold. Ay, qué frío. No. Oh, so cold. This is not a tingling sensation. It feels like as if I was using a toner on my face. The same sensation. That's how it feels like right now. So this is supposed to be on for 10 minutes. And then we do step 2. But before that, I am going to start doing the lip mask. Let me see what I got here. Step 1, apply to dry lips and massage gently to exfoliate. This thing is strong. I can feel it right here. Right here. Feels almost like burning. Oh. The pore strip is supposed to be applied for 10 to 15 minutes as well. Here is the sugar scrub that I need to use to exfoliate my lips. I don't think I need it all. This is how much I grabbed. Dry lips. This looks nasty. Note to self. It says to remove with water or a towel. I'm gonna use a paper towel. All right. I finished with a scrub. If anybody has used this in the past and they have positive, negative feedback, you guys think it's a good product, something that you definitely use constantly or with certain frequency, please let me know your thoughts. Do you like it? Do you not? Lips look so nice now. It says that after that, to apply the lip mask and leave it on for 15 minutes. And it says that if it tingles, it's because it's working. But if it tingles too much, to stop using it. Same thing with the eye patches. If the eye patches tingle too much, although I wouldn't call it tingling, I really felt like almost as if I had used a cotton ball with some toner right under my eye, the under eye area. Oh, this is how it looks like. Similar to the actual picture in the bag. So that's how it looks like. Okay, I'm supposed to put this on. Filling in the shape of my lips. It's in the mirror. Well, I definitely feel funny, but I have to wait in here for about 15 minutes. Hold on, 15? We said 15 or we said 10? Alright, I'm ready to take the eye patches off. I'm just gonna leave it a little bit longer so I can take this at the same time. Oh, it feels so good. Time to take this off. I'm just removing the excess of the charcoal. And then for the eyes, we need to apply this now. This is what it looks like. This is step 2. And I still have a lot here left. And now, the final mask that I'm going to put on before I go to sleep is the charcoal one. Okay. Oh my god. The following mask is the sleep mask. This mask has salicylic acid, charcoal, and also is supposed to fight breakouts overnight. It says that I have to apply and massage it over the skin. I hope this works. So this is what it looks like. Oh. It's kind of cold today, and every single thing I put on my face feels super cold. Alright, that's all that comes in the package. It's empty now. I left a thick layer of the under eye cream because I'm planning to leave that there, so both the under eye cream and the mask stay on for a couple hours. This is good as it is. I will just let this work, and I will let you know what was the outcome when I get up. You have to rinse it off once you wake up. So that would do that. Yeah. I would definitely put the prices under in the description box for you guys to see, and I will give you an update once I wake up. You guys have a good day / night / afternoon, depending on where you are, and we'll catch up later. Bye.
Well, this is how my skin looks like. It's pretty soft. Everything feels pretty soft, pretty smooth, pretty hydrated. I love it. Pretty nice. And the little breakouts and blemishes look better than what they were before.
Thank you so much for watching the video. I know this is not the best editing you ever seen, but bear with me, we'll get there. Again, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And you have a good rest of your day. Till next time. Bye bye.